Previously on Like It or Not.
It's better in the oven than it is the microwave. Now, to be fair, we didn't cook either one of these in the microwave.
We could microwave the other two, just for giggles.
Let's do it.
So maybe part 2 of this video.
Insert sandwich here, this side up. So here we go. Unwrap sandwich, insert to crisping sleeve. After cooking, let stand in microwave 2 minutes to cool. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Now bring it out. And while it's cooling for 2 minutes, I'll put this one in for 2 minutes. All right. 2, 4, 5. Start. Can she make it?
Hey, you figured out the buttons.
I mean, I had to do more than express cook.
No, you didn't. You hit 3, which is 3 minutes, and then you stop it early and pull it out. That's what everybody does.
And here's the Hot Pocket and its sleeve. Please visit us at hotpockets.com or leanpockets.com.
Why would you eat a lean pocket? It's like a hot pocket with even less taste.
Caution, product may be hot. Wait 2 minutes before eating. Beep.
They see me beeping.
Woo, hot. We don't put it in for 4 minutes. We put it in for
2 minutes and 45 seconds.
this one was 2 minutes.
Mm.
That tells you the difference. Okay, that doesn't feel crispy at all.
That's like a limp, wet noodle. Yeah, like I said, who knew that those things could be so much better?
Okay, so, I mean, I don't see hardly any cheese in this or whatnot. Hello, hi, what's your name? My name is DiGiorno.
Is that like a completely different flavor?
Yes.
It tastes completely different. It tastes greasy.
It tastes greasy, and this tastes bland.
Yeah, like it doesn't have anywhere near the taste it did before.
And it's chewy.
Chewy. Yeah, very chewy crust in the microwave. Wow.
It tastes terrible, doesn't it?
It's actually not that good. Is it really that much better in an oven?
Yes, yes it is.
Yeah, this has a very nasty, greasy taste to it.
In fact, I don't want to eat the rest of this. Actually, the Hot Pocket looks better, like in terms of cheesiness. It's smaller, but... So bottom line, if you're going to buy a DiGiorno Stromboli, put it in the oven, not the microwave. Yep, to have a complete review, we really did need to do both types. The good old-fashioned Hot Pocket, which is also not, it actually seems more crisp than the DiGiorno from the microwave.
Put in the microwave, yeah. This is going to sound strange. This one tastes different also, but it tastes better. Now maybe it's because I'm following it from the other one. I mean, I got the end with no pepperoni this time.
Ah. And you saw I just had one come out of my mouth. So obviously they're not consistent with where they put.
This is gonna sound strange, but in the microwave, I like the hot pocket better than the DiGiorno.
Yes. I do too. He thinks it's hot.
No, I had a big long thing of cheese whipped around with my hand. It burnt. Eating is dangerous.
Yes, in the microwave, the hot pocket wins. In the oven, the Stromboli one.
Unless you throw in price and then the hot pocket one again. So that almost says that why spend the extra money to get the hot pocket? I'm still kind of blown away at how different the DiGiorno tastes, oven to microwave. I know they always say it's better in the oven than the microwave, but that's the first time I've ever done a taste test to really see the difference.
So, in the battle, we can say without a doubt that in the oven, the DiGiorno Stromboli tastes better than the Hot Pocket. However, when you take into account price, then this is the clear winner here. But in the oven, this clearly tasted better.
Not.
In the microwave, this one tasted better. Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Not.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Not.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you glad I didn't say banana? It's been a long day. Today's Monday. Whatever you want to do.
You can have the better one.
Oh, y'all still there? Sorry.
Come back on Monday to see more kitchen videos. And stay around for the bloopers.
The Stromboli is bigger, so it needs more time. I don't wish you guys were seeing what's going on behind the camera right now. I think that I will do the... You got an itch?
No, I'm taking her gold.
And this is all gonna be cut!
I know. That's what I was saying.
It would be funny if we had a not suitable for work, politics.
Like all the cut scenes that are not suitable for work all in one video.